Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can go ahead and set up a sublink on our navigation on our SharePoint site. We've done a few videos on navigation, but I want to go ahead and show you guys how we can go ahead and set up that sublink. So what you're looking at right now is I am within my documents, I have another folder called employee roster, and we want to go ahead and add employee roster as a sublink underneath documents on our navigation. So to do that, let's go ahead and copy the link of the folder. So this would just be the URL that you want the sublink to go to. After that, we go ahead and click on edit. From here, we can go ahead and add it. So these are the different options. You have links. Say you have a whole bunch of options here. You may want to put a label. You can also put calendars, notebooks, planners, but we're just going to go ahead and leave it as link. And then this is the display name, employee roster. And then we can decide if we want it to open up in a new tab when clicked. We do. So we'll go ahead and click on that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on the ellipsis and then go ahead and head over to make sublink. And now you can see it's going to be clear to the audience or to your viewers while they're on your site. They can go ahead and collapse it and you see that it'll disappear. But it is clear now that employee roster is a sublink within documents. So if we click on documents, you can see that the employee roster folder will appear right here. And that's how you add a sublink on your SharePoint navigation.